Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Lingua Learners. So in today's video, I am not telling about my English journey or your English mistakes. So here I am talking about my YouTube channel, my life as a YouTuber. Because always when I get up early in the morning, when I wake up from my bed, then I think about my YouTube channel. Because a lot of people, if they are running any YouTube channel, so they can resonate their life with me. Because most of the time when I upload my video and when I have seen so many channels on YouTube, then I see they become famous and they become popular in very less days. After uploading only 10 or 12 videos, they get viral. So what's the reason, dear people? I don't know literally. Because what happens as a YouTuber, when we upload our video, it takes time to edit or it takes time to upload your video. It takes time to think about title. So we cannot think if we belong to middle class family. If I speak about my journey, so I live on rented. So I cannot say I live on rented, so please support me. Because people think they are earning money. But what about village people? They are also earning money. And what if their background is like field or they are doing something, they are farming something? I have my own village. So it's possible if I stay in village, then I can become popular on YouTube. Why people don't support to my video? Only 200 views, only 100 views. Yes, I'm grateful for for my audience. But somewhere I feel disheartened because I'm not getting more views. And I always think, and people say, actually people give me pieces of advice. Anjali, you apply makeup. Anjali, you tie your hair like this. Anjali, you do this thing. Anjali, when you speak, so just little bit smile, little bit confidence. I did all the things, even though I am not getting my views. People say you should look poor while making your videos because you are not belong to any rich and wealthy family. So I did this thing. I started making my videos on my terrace or yes, I cannot go out. I have fields in my surrounding, but I cannot say I have my own field in urban area. Actually, it's not a urban area, and it is undeveloped area. But when people see rural village and rural people's video, they resonate their life. So all middle people, they know very well about their lives, what they are doing. And if I'm making this video, then a lot of people say, you are a teacher, you should not do like this, you should not wear like this, you should look like professional, or you should look like any tutor. You cannot gaslight about village people. But I don't know why. The words come from my inside whenever I see any videos in rural area. In my field also, I have observed, I have discerned so many videos. Only in 10 videos, only in 12 videos they get viral. And what about us people? We have been uploading our videos for 1 year, for 2 years. Even though sometimes the people leave their YouTube channel. Why? Because they think I don't have any poor story. And yeah, you might have seen on Josh Talk as well. They invite the people who has their own story. If you are unique somewhere, then you can get viral. And if you belong to a poor family, even though you are learning this language, you are speaking this language very fluently, then you are viral. And what about middle people, middle class family? So they are only in middle because they are, it's a tag, middle class family. And poor, that means they are not doing anything for their life. They are not doing anything for their living. No. No, people, it's nothing like this. Because when we do our things, so as a YouTuber, you can relate. You upload your videos, and all night I see how many views I am getting. And in morning, you won't believe when I got up. Then I search and I saw a dream. I saw a lot of dreams. My video got viral. I got more than 1 lakh views. I got more than 10 lakh views. But it did not happen. And a lot of time I observe, even though in midnight, when my eyes open up and when I wake up and when I woke up in night, then I see my channel. How many views I got. And I saw a dream many times. Just I uploaded my video and I got viral. So please people, if you have time, only 1 second. What if you watch anyone's video only for 2 minutes? So with the support of you audience, anyone can get viral. And it's my own story. I should not speak like this because yes, I know people are going to observe me. People are going to gaslight about me. Anjali is a trainer and all time she is saying only poor people can get viral. And some people say, Anjali, you don't apply the makeup, then you can get viral. Should I do this? And a lot of people, they say, Anjali, you apply the makeup because you look like you don't look like any trainer or teacher. But I can't think, and I don't think about my dress up, my personality. I know personality is very important for every field. But I don't know how to apply makeup. I don't know how to look like professional. Because people like me as I am. And I like the people who don't do show off. And yes, I have observed in many videos, like YouTube experts, they say be natural. So I tried a lot to be natural. And yes, I know you supported me a lot. And by virtue of you, I am here. Like 1000 family, I did not think about it. So 1K family, that means 1000 subscribers plus 4000 watch hours. I completed it. I did not think about my YouTube family. They will support me or not. But I was doing continuously. I was uploading my videos. People say just upload your 100 videos. Then you can become popular on YouTube. I did same thing. I uploaded my more than 120 videos, as you can see on my channel. But what if I stop doing this? People say don't give up, never give up. So why they give up, they don't know. And they don't have time to think about everyone's life because they just scroll their videos and then they get more views because you are doing it. So that's why we are here. Otherwise, nobody would have started their YouTube channel. I know very well. And I have seen so many YouTubers, they are uploading their videos continuously. People say and YouTube says, show your consistency, show your hard work, show your determination and stop your procrastination. I did. I am not saying I have uploaded my 700 videos, 600 videos. But yes, one more thing. I am saying with the support of my videos, I am learning something. But why don't you people support to any middle class family? And yes, let's talk about Dehati ma'am. She is like us, but the thin line is between she belongs to a poor family. She doesn't apply any makeup. So it's our ornament that we wear makeup. Because after marriage, yes, I understand. If you are unmarried, then yeah, it's our ornament. We apply the makeup. Yeah, I understand. If you are unmarried, then you can sit without makeup. But people say you don't apply makeup for getting your videos viral. So, should I do this thing? Should I apply makeup or not? Because most of the people they say, Anjali, you should apply makeup, you should tie your hair. And yes, little bit liner, little bit mascara, little bit lipstick. And who people don't know about how to apply makeup? They are getting viral by virtue of their background. So should I change my background? Should I go out and make my video in fields for getting viral? Because people apply same thing. And you won't believe I can show you. Majority of the people, they just go out and they are making their videos in their fields for getting viral. So please people, only this thing. What do you think about if you belong to a poor family, then you can get viral? Or just you people, as in my audience, you support to everyone. Just comment below. And yes, if you want to give me any suggestion, then you can comment and tell me how to become popular on YouTube as a YouTuber. Because as an English trainer or as an English learner, you can tell about your journey. But as a YouTuber, I want to know about your perspective.